Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar panels for RV batteries that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to keep your RV battery charged and ready for the road, you're in the right place. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Powoxi upgraded 7.5 watt solar battery trickle charger. This compact and lightweight solar panel is designed for versatility, working with a variety of 12-volt batteries in cars, motorcycles, boats, and of course, RVs. One of its standout features is the internal smart charge controller, which ensures a stable energy output with an impressive conversion efficiency of up to 30%. It also includes a blocking diode structure to prevent overcharging and reverse current, giving you peace of mind during extended use. In terms of design, this solar panel is built to last. With a high-strength tempered glass surface and an ABS plus PC frame, it's both durable and weather-resistant. It's ideal for outdoor adventures, as it can withstand impacts, heavy snow, and wind. The LED charging indicator is a nice touch, letting you know when the panel is actively charging or receiving sunlight. However, keep in mind that its 7.5 watt power output is on the lower side, making it better suited for battery maintenance rather than heavy-duty charging. The Powoxi is an affordable and reliable option for those who need a simple trickle charger to keep their batteries topped off. While it's not the most powerful option on our list, it's perfect for occasional RV trips or for maintaining batteries during the off-season. Pros include its durability, ease of use, and safety features, but its limited power output may not be sufficient for users with higher energy demands. Coming in at number 4 is the VoltSet Solar Panel Kit 20 watts 12 volt. This kit is a step up in power, making it a fantastic choice for RV enthusiasts looking for a bit more energy to keep their batteries charged. It features a highly efficient monocrystalline solar panel paired with a full-potting IP67 PWM controller, which ensures exceptional durability and efficiency. The controller maximizes energy conversion and eliminates moisture intrusion, making it a dependable choice for extreme weather. What sets this panel apart is its flexibility and ease of use. A 360-degree adjustable aluminum bracket allows you to optimize the panel's angle to follow the sun, increasing sunlight absorption by up to 12%. This is especially useful for RV owners who frequently change locations. Additionally, the collapsible design reduces storage space, making it convenient to pack away when not in use. The included LED indicators give you real-time status updates on charging progress, which is a thoughtful addition. While the VoltSet offers excellent performance for its size, it's worth noting that its 20-watt output may not be sufficient for powering multiple high-energy devices in your RV. However, it's great for maintaining battery health and running small appliances. Its pros include its robust build quality, smart controller, and portability, while its cons are its limited power output compared to some of the higher-ranked options on this list. In the third spot, we have the Sooner Power Waterproof 12-watt 12V Solar Battery Charger and Maintainer Pro. This model is a solid mid-range option, featuring ultra-smart MPPT technology for maximum energy efficiency. The MPPT controller ensures a high tracking efficiency of up to 99%, which allows it to deliver 20 to 30% more power than conventional chargers. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want a reliable and efficient solar panel for their RV batteries. The Sooner Power Charger is built to withstand tough conditions with a corrosion-resistant frame and tempered solar glass that's designed to last. It's fully waterproof and spark-proof, making it a great choice for outdoor use in various weather conditions. Additionally, the 3-stage charging algorithm, bulk, absorption, float, ensures your battery is charged safely and efficiently, prolonging its lifespan. Installation is straightforward, with pre-drilled holes and plug-and-play cables. While it's slightly less powerful than the higher-ranked products on our list, its advanced smart controller and durability make it a great option for long-term use. Pros include its NPPT technology, rugged build, and maintenance-free operation, while cons center around its modest 12-watt output, which is best suited for maintaining rather than heavily charging batteries. Our runner-up is the Solperk Solar Panel Kit 20-watt 12-volt, a versatile and efficient option for RV owners. With a conversion efficiency of up to 30%, this panel is ideal for charging and maintaining a variety of 12-volt battery types, including lithium-ion and AGM. The upgraded 8A charge controller delivers a 20 to 30% improvement in charging efficiency compared to standard controllers, ensuring your battery is charged quickly and safely. The build quality of the Solperk panel is impressive, featuring a low-iron tempered glass surface and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame. It's designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, including heavy winds and snow. The 360-degree adjustable mounting bracket allows you to find the perfect angle for maximum sunlight absorption, making it an excellent choice for RV owners who are constantly on the move. While the Solperk offers excellent value for its price, its 20-watt output still places it below our top pick in terms of power. It's perfect for maintaining battery health and powering small appliances, but it may not be sufficient for larger energy demands. Pros include its high efficiency, durable design, and ease of installation, while its cons are its limited power for more intensive applications. Finally, at number 1, we have the Renogy 200-watt 12-volt portable solar panel with waterproof 20-amp-hour charger controller. If you're looking for the best of the best, this is it. With a staggering 200-watt output and a high efficiency rating of 22.5%, this solar panel is perfect for RV owners with higher energy demands. Whether you're powering appliances, charging batteries, or running a power station, the Renogy delivers unmatched performance. The foldable design and included protective canvas case make it incredibly portable and easy to set up, while the advanced PWM charge controller ensures safe and efficient charging. Built with grade A+ monocrystalline solar cells and a rugged, weather-resistant frame, this panel is designed to last for decades. It also includes multiple safety features, such as overcharge protection, ensuring your RV system stays safe during use. While it's the heaviest and most expensive option on our list, the Renogy's power and build quality justify the investment. Pros include its high power output, robust design, and portability, while cons are its weight and price. This is the ultimate choice for serious RV enthusiasts who want reliable, high-performance solar power on the go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy travels and stay powered up.